posted the video of Cardinal Peter Cardinal Opaleke, the one in Rome now in the conclave, and someone came and wrote, I'll show you the comment here, what they call BLDR, Brother Rome or something. Say, if Nwebe is not from Anambra, he wouldn't have posted this video. Forget, and all that. Trying to drag me in conflict with the Anyara people. Mbise people. I don't know who is this, and a lot of people coming there to write all manner of things. I don't know if it is a calculated attempt to indict me, but anybody who knows me will know that I'm not a person that is afraid to voice out my opinion on anything, whether privately or publicly. If you ask the priests of my diocese of Aba, they will tell you. If you ask those with whom I went to seminary, they will tell you. If you go to my parents and family and tell you, they will tell you, this is Father Nwebe joy for you. Aburo monye, no one buy, no one our people. Okay, all of you that are a fan of wine, I want to buy. How did you people do it? If I am to show kindness to anybody now, the last thing that will come to my mind is one name or from my side. No. And I want to use this opportunity to teach some of you, especially those of you that are myopic. If you want to help yourself, dispose your mind to be a person of others, not by tribe, not by religion, not by ethnicity, not by Dashisanism or whatever you come from. If you do so, then you have closed the door of your blessing. You have to meticulously marry the two truths. Number one is charity begins at home. You have to marry it very technically with the fact that your blessing is not in the hands of your kings and your acquaintances. If you like, begin anything. The first people that will sabotage you are people from your village. Be a contractor, be an architect. The people who will not give you a job are people from your place. They will give it to another person. If you get angry with them, you are wasting your bloody time. You better just get comfortable with the fact that your blessing can never be, if it is God. If you know who God will use bless you, and God hand know the inside. That's talker, unquote. That's talker. That one from Uheli that make people laugh. If you sabi whom God will use bless you, if you are sure that God will use your uncle to bless you, God's hand is not in inside. This myopism of when you buy. Why in actual fact such things never? God has prepared a blessing partner for you. It could be from your place, it could not be from your place. The best thing for you is to be good to people. And if you don't want to be in the wrong place in life, be yourself. I'm not asking you to imitate me or who come online to say things that make people to hate me. It could be my own calling, because the man Stephen said things that people shut their ear, they stone him. People name affect them. Some of you, if you follow me and do what I'm doing, you by now your page will be gone. But they attack my page, but I'm still here. They attack people, they went underground, they opened WhatsApp group to bring me down, but I'm still here. You know what? Because I'm fulfilling this is my calling. So please, when you raise any issue about tribalism, Anambra as what? I'm not even the priest in Anambra. I'm from Anambra, but my diocese is Aba. But in that Aba diocese, I'm not seeing any Ngwaman or Anambra. I'm just seeing priests. I see people, and that's why some people say I'm foolish. But that my foolishness is the reason why I'm blessed. Now, I'm the most blessed because of sheep. And God can raise up the senior part for me from anywhere. This issue of Anambra, Mbise, Ngwa, Nsukka, Enugu, Abakaliki, things should not come to my page. If I see it next time, I will block you. Because if you like, go to that Anambra. Some people from my village, only watch it, know why. I say, I look from here. Or the same Anambra. And you see, this issue of Ndieba Metua is the highest scam in history. Because I have also seen people who got married from the same, just nearby village, and then they are not able to succeed in that marriage. They're married from the so-called places that are good. If you like, don't pray God to connect you to your blessing partner. Keep praying the politics of Ndieba. Leave Father Nwebe out of it. Ahera people knows how much I have, blended with them. I just check my life. I discover that 90% of those who they give me chop now from Ahera. The rest, this. But it's not because they are from Ahera. It's because they like what I'm doing. And then, some of them don't like it. I won't blame them. If I get angry, make I bend. I don't go feel get angry because in I don't know if I have even found time to like your own. So just open your heart and only Chukwu bless Rengine. I have seen the most powerful transformation blessing in history have been the fact that na onye imekatara ife ofu onye ọcha alike agi is even better than in ife came of village. Imekatara ife ofu onye Hausa alike agi imekatara ife ofu onye from Ethiopia. That is when you have become blessed. But ọ bụrụ na ife ahụ unu na-eme na mkpọkọrọ ite ihe ichi ime ihe ịchọwa ka ọ bụrụ village gị ịchọ ka ọ bụrụ onye ebe a nwanne if you want to fail in business, go and employ your village people. So carry that politics and get out of my page. I don't entertain it. Anybody that know me know that if I don't like anything, the last thing I will do is to swallow it. I don't fear anybody, even police that carry gun. Ask Father Frank Mario, he's very close to me. Police that's me. And God has been leading me through that way. From even secondary school. I'm not proud of it though. Because I know we stand to win justice. So if we presume, I'm the Christians, we're like I'm more against me. So I don't fear anything and anybody. If my spirit is not in agreement with anything, I say it. But until then, don't come and push me into what I didn't say. I just posted the video of the cardinal taking the oath of secrecy. I just posted it, and somebody now begin to say it's because I'm from Anambra. If I'm not from Anambra, I will not have posted. That means you don't know Father Nwebe Joy. So God bless all of you. Bless Anambra people. Bless everybody from everywhere. When any reason why God will not bless all of you. The real reason, if you start thinking, open a brain is the upside down. If I am Bugatti engine, brain get the God bless you, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. I wish us a Pope who will love Our Lady so much. And some of you say I'm still holding him. It's when I see another Pope that I'll bring this one down. God bless you. It's I can see him, man. Say I'm with joy. God bless you.